Crystal's here, and I'm going to teach you how to search for hashtags on Instagram so you can open up your Instagram app. You go to the search bar down below here. It's just to the right of the home. Up in the top, search for different hashtags. So let's pretend that your store is in Denver. We're just going to put in hashtag Denver. Now, right away, it's going to default to top, and it's going to display all the different hashtags. You can also click on people. What you're going to see here is people that have the name or the word Denver in their name or in their location or bio. Tags are going to be hashtags. So you're going to be seeing very similar to what you see over on top. And then places is going to be places in Denver. Now you can use all of these different sections, the top, people, tags, places, when trying to find your customers on social media. Let's go ahead and just go to top, and we're going to search Denver, Colorado. It has a lot less posts than just Denver. Denver has over 10 million posts. Denver, Colorado has 869,000, but we do know in fact that it's Denver, Colorado that they're talking about. So when we click on there, this is going to default to showing you posts that are top. So they've been like the most engaged with posts where like, oh my goodness, look at that avalanche. That's very scary. So that got a lot of engagement, but I want you to click on recent. Now, this is going to show you pictures of people who posted with the hashtag Denver, Colorado, and you're going to see the newest one first. So it's going to be this one. Now, this person, Scorpio 67 photos, tonight 8:30. We can click on this person. We can learn about them. Lifestyle photography, storytelling, portraits. Sounds like he is in Colorado, but we don't know for certain because he's not listing it. So I don't know unless you're like, yes, males, photographers would be perfect for us to, follow, for them to be a customer of ours. Then you could follow them. But otherwise, I don't know if he's local yet. So I'm going to go back to my search results. I'm going to click on this. I don't really know if this is a person. This is a DJ. I'm going to go back. And now we're going to click on this girl. We're going to click on her, and fitness and lifestyle blogger. She also is not saying that she's located in Denver. But let's say that you sell, vitamins or fitness apparel. This could be somebody that you want to possibly work with. She's got 6,500 followers, so not like a ton, but it is a larger base where you could partner with her as an influencer, or maybe she would just be a good customer of yours. So if we look at some of her posts, and I just want to look like she says Denver, Colorado. She's Colorado living. She definitely lives in Colorado. So if this girl, based off of her bio, her pictures, if she would be a good person to buy from you, go ahead and follow her. So that is how you search hashtags and to find people. And the reason I want to just go back for a second, the reason that I say do recent versus top is because we want people who are active on Instagram. So this person posted 43 seconds ago. So we definitely want to be searching people who are still active. In the top, you might find somebody who doesn't post anymore, who isn't on Instagram anymore, so we wouldn't want to follow them. So this is your mini tutorial on how to search hashtags within the Instagram app to find people to follow based off of location hashtags.